What is up, guys? The Flying Tech here, and today we're going to be checking out the Volantex P51 Obsession from the Warbird series. Only today we're going to be doing it a little different. I put an FPV camera on the bottom, as you can see here. I tapped into the system so it'll run off of the main battery. I've got my setup here. We're out in the field and we're going to test it out. See, this thing flies awesome. Even did a few stunts and was able to hit those gaps. I highly recommend this if you're thinking about adding it to your collection. And that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And as always, happy flying.